Hey babes, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's look is going to be on, obviously, Aaliyah Jay's simple, easy fall look. Disclaimer before the video really even gets into it. One of the palettes, and I think it was my Wet n Wild, obviously it was my Wet n Wild actually, did not have any names for the eyeshadows that I use, and I actually had to mix some and just to get similar to the colors that Aaliyah Jay had. So bear with me because I'm really not going to be talking during this video, and also they really just need to go ahead and make some names for those colors because it'll be a lot easier for me to just say, oh, I use blueberry fondue, something like that on my eyelids. But I will make sure that I drop everything in the description box and at least give like a, you know, the closest kind of description of the eyeshadow that I use, just so you guys can have some type of image. But basically that's just what I'm gonna do. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Before we even get right into it, make sure you subscribe and join the family, and like, and if you can, tag Aaliyah Jay, because that's like, I'm just in love with her, and if you're not, you need to be. But go ahead and tag her if you can, repost, do it all that you want to do basically, and let's go ahead and get right into it.
Just want you in my possession. Never giving up, no fight. Not letting you out of my sight. Never giving up this time for real. Oh, wake up, break up. Wake up, break up. Never giving up, no fight. Not letting you out of my sight. Wake up, break up. Never been good at show discretion. It's not my thing, no, my profession. Never giving up, no fight. Not letting you out of my sight. Never giving up this time for real. Oh, wake up, break up. Wake up, break up. Never giving up, no fight. Not letting you out of my sight. Wake Just want you in my possession. Never giving up, no fight. Not letting you out of my sight. Never giving up this time for real. Oh, wake up, break up. Wake up, break up. Never giving up, no fight. Not letting you out of my sight. Wake up, break up. Never been good at show discretion. It's not my thing, no, my profession. Never giving up, no fight. Not letting you out of my sight. Never giving up this time for real. Oh, wake up, break up. Wake up, break up. Never giving up, no fight. Not letting you out of my sight. Wake up, break up. No fight. Never giving up, no fight. Never giving up, no fight. Not letting you out of my sight. Wake up, break up. Oh, wake up, break up. Wake up, break up. Never giving up, no fight. Not letting you out of my sight. Wake up, break up. Can't get a hold of my obsession. Just want you in my possession. Never giving up, no fight. Not letting you out of my sight. Never giving up this time for real. Oh, wake up, break up. Wake up, break up. Never giving up, no fight. Not letting you out of my sight. Wake up, break up. Never been good at show discretion. It's not my thing, no, my profession. Never giving up, no fight. Not letting you out of my sight. Never giving up this time for real. Oh, wake up, break up. Wake up, break up. Never giving up, no fight. Not letting you out of my sight. Wake just want you in my possession. Never giving up, no fight. Not letting you out of my sight. Never giving up this time for real. Never been good at show discretion. It's not my thing, nor my profession.